How's it going, guys? Welcome to Trade Confident. We're going to dive into Bitcoin today to see where we go in this week. I know there's still a lot of, Russia and Ukraine going on. Let's just dive in. Let's just start here, guys. Let me show this to you real quick so you guys can get an update. We're currently sitting at 110 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a crypto trade ever. We average between 10 to 12% per trade is what we've averaged through 110 wins. And that is through a bull market and a bear market. I'll show you guys how to get in and trade with us. There's links in the description, but I'll show you guys in the second half of this video. I want to look at this first. Let's go to the different markets. I want to go to VUG. I want to look at the S&P 500 / NASDAQ chart. And this is what I use. It's the Vanguard Growth ETF. I don't know if you guys recall, I believe this was 2 Bitcoin videos ago. I was looking at this descending resistance to be a place where the S&P 500 was looking to drop back down. That's exactly what we ended up getting. So where is the stock market supposed, or in this case, the VUG, the Vanguard Growth ETF, looking for a bounce back up? I think that support is right around this area. So do we have a further move back down in the stock market before we see a move back up? Yes, we absolutely do. That's absolutely possible. Let's take a look at the futures real quick of how this can correlate to Bitcoin. When the futures go down as well as the VUG, we're going to see the drop in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency usually, okay? We are getting to a strong support here where I do think we could see a bounce back up. So in the short term, I wouldn't doubt let me say it like this. There's an argument that we could see Bitcoin head down even further, possibly even to a structural low here, but there are some bullish signs coming out. So I want to just give us a full perspective on what we're expecting here in this video. As far as the trend dashboard here, we see that most of the indicators are red. Now, when this happens, this really is actually a very good time to buy the market as retail traders are looking to sell their positions. Institutions usually look to come in and buy this, okay? Also, price versus money flow and trend exhaustion. The price versus money flow, guys, is sitting so low down here, and that's where we've come from, that this is due for a move back up. It means that the trend itself is exhausted to the downside and that money was exhausted as well. We do see money moving back into the market, which I believe is people buying the demand of a lower price, and the trend exhaustion is moving back up. But we definitely have, now that we've moved back up here, it's actually given us room to move back down even further, which we could be hitting the structure low here, possibly by the end of the week of about 34,000. Now, I know on, I believe it was Friday's video, I was looking at this projection about 46,000 of us hitting up here, and I want to go into some other metrics to kind of prove that point here a little bit. So let's dive in here. I don't want to go in too much depth about the scalping strategy, but if you guys have these 2 indicators, you're doing fantastic. These are the 2 that we use to call our exits, and they do an incredible job at calling market moves before they happen. When the trend exhaustion is in the top red section, well money flow is high, we're looking for drops back down, and then when the trend exhaustion is in the bottom section here, as well as when well money flows low, that's where we're looking for moves back up. So that's kind of why we're looking for this move back up here in the market. Okay, Bitcoin charts. Let's go over this. How do you access this? Go to tradeconfident.io, go to pricing. You guys get a membership. You guys can snag this. You'll get access to all of our metrics, our Telegram channel, as well as the masterclass videos. And we're going to be going live on Zoom this Thursday. We have the first 1,000 participants to click the Zoom link. You guys are going to be able to get in, and because Zoom basically blocks us at 1,000 participants, so that's why I have 1,000. So we maxed it out as high as we could go. So make sure you guys are looking for that Telegram link that's going to come out this Thursday, and we're going to talk about the markets, and we're going to go over Q&A live on Zoom. So I think a lot of you guys are really looking forward to that, and I definitely am as well. Okay, Bitcoin charts are updated with fresh data, so let's take a look at this. Emotional index is sitting in the neutral section here. We are now in what's called a channel trading phase. We are trading back and forth between resistances and supports. So the next support, I wouldn't doubt, if we come down here, is going to be about $35,000. All right. Moving down over here, here is a case of why a lot of people are like, oh, we're just going to crash. Okay. Hold that thought though. Let me show you reasonings of why I think we're actually going to possibly bounce here. Do you see what's happening? Long trades are increasing continually on the blockchain for Bitfinex. Continuous increase of long trades. This means a ton of people are buying the dip. This includes whales. This includes institutions, okay? Even banks, all right? So when we see this over here, long trades increase, and this is a very bullish sign. Now, only recently in the last few days have we seen short trades increase a little bit here, and that's right around this area. And I believe that was because of this ascending support line that we ended up not bouncing from, and we saw short trades take over and push us down. But overall, looking at long trades versus short trades, this is more of a bullish sign. This is not something that I'm biased about. This is clearly just looking at the data, which one is going up and which one's going down. There's more buying power in the market right now than there is selling, which is a bullish sign. Moving down here, looking at the market cap strength. So market cap is just continually heading up here as Bitcoin goes up and down through this channel. This is another bullish sign. What does this mean when market cap goes up? It literally means people are taking their money out of their altcoins. Other altcoins are losing money, losing market cap, and it is being placed into Bitcoin. This might be affecting this. Ukraine on their Twitter account came out and basically said, stand with the people of Ukraine, now accepting cryptocurrency donations, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT. Okay, and there literally you can have this. I'll put this link in the description if you guys want to support that. It's crazy. War is never a fun thing. So if you guys feel led to support that, I'll put a link in the description to this actual Twitter post. But this may be causing the market cap of Bitcoin to be going up temporarily. Now, I understand that okay, let me say it a different way. Sorry. If people are like, hey, I'm all for this, and they want to put money into Bitcoin, they want to actually like transfer money into Bitcoin, they're going to have to take it out of other altcoins unless they already have Bitcoin. Does that make sense? So money with this could actually be flowing, being a participant within this move up here. We could see money flowing out of altcoins back into Bitcoin for people to support Ukraine. That may be a little bit of it. I don't know how much that is, but I just wanted to point it out there just to give us more data of what we're looking at. Overall, though, the market cap for Bitcoin is increasing, and this is very bullish. Okay, it is very bullish. A market cap increasing on a coin means that people expect the price to go up. If they didn't, the market cap would go down and money would be going into USDC and USDT and stable coins. It's not. It's going into Bitcoin, and the price is not really going up any higher. It's actually going down, so it means people are buying a lower price, expecting it to go up, and that includes institutions and whales as well. Okay, trades in favor here, guys. We're looking at this pushing down to the good long trade area. I still believe, without a doubt, this is a great time to be buying Bitcoin. All my scalpers down here, those of you guys who got the trend exhaustion bottom red section, well money flow low, you guys are looking to come in here and scalp this, okay? Coming down here, well institutional smart money, we are now shifting over from short trades, which completely called this move down here. Absolutely called it perfectly. You saw when the market crashed here, what happened? Long trades came out and the market went straight back up. Market went straight back up the absolute moment that this metric showed that institutions and whales were going short, the market dropped. The exact moment. I understand there's resistance over here, but look at this. This isn't counting resistance. That's the more powerful thing you need to understand about this. This metric with the well institutional smart money has not a single code of structure resistance or structure support. That is why it's even more powerful to see this, that right at that moment we ended up dropping. What do you see now though? We are slightly starting to actually increase over here for well institutional smart money on long trades, looking to buy this dip even stronger. Now, is it strong? No, by no means. We're not sitting up here. So this tells me the price can still have a little bit of a move back down. And as it goes down, I believe we're going to see them start buying even stronger, which could lead us to a pump very soon. This is why I'm bullish, okay? Let's move down here and I'll show you guys how to get to a trade setup with really good risk management because we've never lost a trade, all right? Support and resistance prices. The next resistance is up here at 45.3. That's just clearly up here. And support is down here at 34.3, so right down their area. If I had to make a prediction, which one are we going to hit first? I honestly think there's more bullish signs in the market than bearish, but because of this weekend, we basically had what I called a long squeeze where a lot of people were looking to go long on the third touch of an ascending support line. It did not happen, and so it's actually pushed the market down even further. So I do think we're going to rebound here soon, but give it a little bit of time, okay? Let's just give it a time. I think, let me say it a different way because you guys are like, well, that's not a prediction. I understand. By Friday, I think we'll see more of an uptrend in the market by Friday than just a continuation down by Friday. I think this market will be turning back around. Hopefully that articulate that well. Dollar cost average entries here. Those of you guys who are following this, you guys got another good entry. You guys got incredible entries over here, as well as you got another entry right here for those of you who want to hold for 5 to 10 years. Again, get a membership, guys. Access all these metrics every single day. Exit points, perfectly calling the drop up here. Next time it comes up here, we're going to be looking for the red bar to end up calling another drop back down. Last metric, and we're going to get into a trade setup here. Death cross is currently active, 50 below the 200-day moving average. When the 50 is above the 200-day moving average, that's when we are in what's called a golden cross, and we're not there yet. Okay, trade setup. You guys ready to dive in? This is how we have won every single one of our trades. Literally, all of our trades, 110 wins in a row. This is how we do it. Okay. This is how we do it. It just came to mind. Sorry, terrible singer. All right, here's what you guys are going to do. With Bitcoin, choose the amount that you guys want to enter in this trade with, or any of our other coins, any of the altcoins. We have 12 total, okay? take $1,000 for example, split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions and place $250 at each of the 4 buy limits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 250. It's just a fourth. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit in green for 100% exit. So sell limit in green for 100% exit. All right. That's all you guys are looking at. Okay. Once you do that, join me in the Telegram channel where I will be giving you guys exit calls on all of our coins. Literally every single coin that we're about to win. And I'll give you guys this update real quick. Avalanche is going to be our next winning coin. We are very close to getting into that profit there, so make sure you guys watch out for that. And then what I'll do is in Telegram, I'll tell you guys exactly when I'm entering back into Avalanche and where to access the buy limits, and you guys can just join me on the next trade because we've won hundreds of dollars on Mana and Avalanche in the last 2-3 weeks. It's the 2 trades just keep winning, they keep winning, they keep winning. So it's been awesome to see our account balance not go down as fast, but actually like gain hundreds of dollars over the last few weeks. So guys, last but not least, indicators. Let me talk about this. If you guys made it, this far to the video, good job. The indicators, if you don't know about this already, we have a sale going on, 82% off all the indicators. You literally get the source code to every indicator that we have and all 9 of them. So the 3 that I show on the charts here, these are the ones that you guys need to copy my charts and actually get the best data for calling tops and bottoms. And this is coming from, again, we've never lost a crypto trade, and we exit our trades with these 2 indicators. They predict the tops and bottoms of crypto before they move back down. It is actually ridiculous how well these things call the tops and the bottoms. So make sure you guys are snagging that in the description. It is 82% off, and we will be raising this price in the coming months, okay? One-time fee, not a monthly fee, and you guys get that, okay? So ending this video here, I'll keep you guys on the pricing page so you guys can see this. I think here this basically an oversold territory that we're in right now with all this drop in the market. We're entering into this channel right here, and I think we're gonna probably see a bounce back up here pretty soon. If we do head down to $34,000, $35,000, this is probably gonna be a very, very good time to look to get some money in the market. And with that Bitcoin trade setup that I showed you guys, go to the crypto charts and come over here to Bitcoin charts. Scrolling down to the bottom, you guys can see over here that you've got a really nice entry over here. Let me show you exactly what the entry is if you guys want to stick around and watch this. The entry that we had this morning was at 37,713. Okay, 37,713. Let's look at the charts. 37,713 is just right. We are so close to that. We actually already hit it. So those of you guys who took the entry this morning, you guys are officially into the Bitcoin trade, and you have really, really good risk management with 4 different buy limits. So if we go down, just as we did here, we hit our first buy limit, and then our second one was hit, and then our third one was hit, and our break-even entry dropped all the way down here. So we've actually saved ourselves from the high up here. We've saved ourselves 23.67% that we don't have to make back, that we will be in the profit before everybody else. And that's because of the risk management we use. And that's how we are winning trades and winning so many trades so often. So guys, God bless you. Get that membership over here, as well as the indicators in the description. I'll also leave a link to the Ukraine if you guys would like to support them in the description. But guys, God bless you. Have an amazing day. Links are below. We're going for 120 wins in the month of March. So join us, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.